So we've already pre-cut the studs, and we're just sneaking them behind this little hole in the plate and getting them through the holes. This is very useful to know how to do, especially if you're working on people's cars and stuff, because someday you may mess something up and you may have to replace a part like this. And I've gotten these replaced before through the use of my contractors or mechanics that can help me. And this is usually about a $200 job, $250 depending on the vehicle. And you don't want to have to pay for this. You don't want to have to pay for this if you don't have to, you know. And you don't have to pay for anything because you're a mechanic yourself. Remember, you're a technician. And you ask me. Then I'll just use a washer and I'll tighten those up. And that's how we'll get done with this one. Oh, listen to this up. Alright, let's take it off. Just put it back into park. So this will help me tighten these fellas down. I'm not stretching the lug nut and that I'm actually pulling it through. Let's see here. Yeah, I definitely need to probably hammer it in somewhere.